In this video, in this particular video, we'll be talking about surveys. So to access the survey, you click on the home menu, then you click on surveys. Okay, once it opens, like you see here, there are several surveys being done that has been done. So some like the probation exam questions, Port Harcourt needs survey, community engagement, probation question based on feedback, and so on. As you can see here, this amount of questions for every survey. This is 27, 10, 9, and so on. So let's click on a survey so that I can explain better for you. So let's take the first one. Okay, as you can see, the person responsible for this survey is this employee. This is the survey is about probation question based on feedback and evaluation, and these are the titles to the survey. So as you can see here, this is how the surveys are arranged. You can click on option to set up the survey scoring. No scoring for the survey. You can score without answer. You can click on any option you feel like. Then for description, you can give a description for what the survey is at, and you can also give an end message for the particular survey. Okay, so let's click on text. So if it's click on text, this is where it takes you. You can click on start a survey, then start answering. So we are not going to be doing that currently, so I'm just showing you guys how the survey works to explain better. So over here is your send note and log message. Currently, if you're working on a task, come here to send notes and log a message. Let's go back to surveys. So the main purpose of this survey app shows the several surveys that are currently that are being currently built or set up in the system by a particular person or a particular employee assigned to set up the survey. So you can come here and click on survey to create a new survey, and like I've mentioned in other videos, it's currently in a Kanban. You can sort it out in a list and also check the activities of that survey. The search bar here very important to look for a particular survey. So this is basically it about the survey app. Yes, about the survey app. So this is it for this video. So try and go through it yourself to understand better how the survey app works.